civil paragraph. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, civil court, Mia Chano, stenographers academy, Mia Chano, 100 word per minute speed. Ready? Start. All these steps are obviously in consonance with the recommendations of Civil Justice Committee report, 1925, which carry an implied force to apt its suggestions in an imperative sense by the subordinate civil courts. Full stop. Taking all these prepositions to the degree of compliance, the recourses of delay could be curtailed. Full stop. It is noticed in the instituted suits before the court that the prayers are couched with emphasis that ex parte injunction orders at the very outset by passed after considering the whatever material placed on the record. Full stop. The experience has shown us that the given situation in the plaint does not exist at or on the subject matter. Full stop. The intention happens to be that the ex parte injunction order would legalize all the illegalities and non-possession of the plaintiff in the first instance, which could be subsequently regarded and regulated by all the possible means through different via medias. Full stop. The use of force in these circumstances cannot be eliminated, coupled with the law enforcing or administrative agency could come to the undue rescue of that person who is holding the court's order in the shape of a sword. Full stop. The courts do not know the existing position on the site. Full stop. The ex parte injunction order to believe the possession at the very outset is blind and obliging one, which leaves very serious consequences on the site. Full stop. Even no ultimate conclusions could be drawn on that blind order when the defendant denies the plaintiff's possession. Full stop. In these circumstances, the ex parte injunction order is suggested to be avoided without inspection of the site either by court or commission, which is very crucial, particularly for that issue on which point of possession is involved. Full stop. The superior courts have also realized to that much, which is evident from the case law propounded in PLD 1995 SC 572 colon new para. Before issuing stay injunction orders, courts must carefully examine and consider the documents relied upon by the parties in proof of title, possession, etc., of the property in dispute. Full stop. In case of doubt, the court may appoint commissioner for verification of actual position at site. Full stop. A little care on the part of civil courts would save citizens from untold hardships and also help maintaining public peace and tranquility. Full stop.